Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my banana muffin recipe. What makes this banana muffin extra special is that I will be using whole wheat flour, brown sugar and lots of nuts. Usually, when we use whole wheat flour to make muffins or bread, they tend to turn out dry or hard. But in today's recipe, I will be sharing a method that gives you soft, spongy, moist, and absolutely delicious banana muffins. Come on, let's get started. Let's start with the dry ingredients. In a bowl, add 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything very well and keep it aside. Now let's move on to the wet ingredients. First, we need 1 stick of butter. This is approximately half cup of butter.
Next, add 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm using dark brown sugar because it gives a beautiful color and a rich flavor to the muffin. Here is an important tip to get a perfect spongy soft muffins. Your butter should be at room temperature. Never use cold butter. Using a room temperature butter creams better with sugar, traps air and gives the muffin a light and fluffy structure. Mix the butter and sugar really very well. Keep mixing it for 1 to 2 minutes until it gets combined together and become like a smooth creamy consistency. See, the mixture is coming together nicely. It should not melt like oil. See, it should look creamy and buttery with a grainy sugar texture. This is exactly what we want. Next, I'm adding 2 eggs. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it very well. Keep beating the mixture until the mixture looks smooth and fluffy. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Now the wet mixture is nicely combined. Let's keep it aside. Next, here I am using ripe bananas. Look at the skin, you can see black spots. This is exactly how ripe bananas should be. Ripe bananas are naturally sweeter, softer and gives perfect moist and flavor to the muffin. Peel it and add it into a bowl. Use a fork to mash the banana. Mashing until the banana release its natural moisture. Look at this, how soft and mushy it has become. This is exactly what we want. The mashed banana to the egg mixture. Next, start adding the dry ingredients little by little. Use a soft spatula and gently fold the flour into the mixture just like this. Add the remaining flour and fold again until everything is combined. At this stage, the batter may look slightly thick, but don't worry, the bananas will release enough moisture. As you can see, the batter is now perfectly combined, not too thick, not too thin, perfect creamy texture. Now it's time to add nuts. Here you can get creative. You can add any nuts like walnuts, pecan, raisins or even chopped dates. Here I'm using just walnuts. Using an ice cream scoop to divide the batter evenly, it also gives nice and even shape to the muffin. The muffin tray is ready with muffin liners. I will scoop the batter into each. Let's bake the muffin at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes of baking, look at this muffins perfectly baked with beautiful golden color. They smell absolutely amazing. I can't wait to enjoy this with my coffee. Let's take them out and place it on a cooling rack. Look how easily the liner comes off. See how soft and spongy this muffin is. I will cut one open so you can see how soft and moist inside. The banana muffins are ready to enjoy with a cup of coffee. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this. See you next time.